This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the editable source, RAW, PSD, or a layered TIFF, because undoing is easiest when layers exist. Once found, open it in your editor and immediately duplicate the top layer to preserve a safe copy. Make sure history is visible so you can step back state by state. If only a flattened file exists, export a duplicate and proceed non-destructively with new layers and masks. These first actions prevent data loss and let you reverse edits cleanly as you work. Once you have a duplicate, methodically disable adjustments. Turn off or delete adjustment layers and layer styles so you can see what changed. Then use masks to remove localized edits without destroying pixels. Paint black to hide an adjustment and refine with a soft brush. For baked-in edits on flattened images, apply content-aware fill or the clone stamp to reconstruct missing areas. Also check camera RAW or develop history for global sliders you can reset. Step through changes to identify the edit that altered tone or color. To finish, compare your restored version against the original via split view or layer visibility toggles so you confirm accuracy. Once satisfied, save a layered master, PSD/TIFF, and export a flattened JPEG for sharing. Make sure export color profiles and quality settings match your intended output. If you encounter stubborn, baked-in edits that resist reconstruction, try AI inpainting tools or recover prior versions from cloud backups. These options often reconstruct missing content when manual cloning won't match texture or lighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.